Hello everyone, this is Shubham Saudari and I welcome you again in the next new video of our YouTube channel. So this is the LeetCode hard problem which was asked on 24th of February. This is find all people with secret. So they have given an integer n indicating that there are n people numbered from 0 to n minus 1, and we also have a 0 index 2D integer array meetings where meetings of I is equals to x of xi, yi and time I indicates that person xi and person yi have a meeting at time I, and a person may attend multiple meetings at the same time. Finally, they have given an integer first person. So person 0 has a secret and initially shares the secret with a person first person at time 0. So this secret is then shared every time a meeting takes place with a person that has secret. More formally, for every meeting, if a person xi has the secret at time I, then they will share the secret with person yi and vice versa. So then the secret are shared instantaneously. That is, a person may receive the secret and share it with people in other meetings within the same time frame. We need to return a list of all the people that have the secret after all the meetings have taken place. We may return the answer in any order. So in the first example, input is n equals to 6 and meetings array is this, and the first person is 1. So the explanation is at time 0, person 0 shares the secret with person 1. Then at time 5, the person 1 shares the secret with person 2 here. At time 8, the person 2 shares the secret with person 3 here, like this. And at time 10, person 1 shares the secret with person 5. Likewise, thus people 0, 1, 2, 3 and 5 have know the secret after all the meetings. So the answer will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Example 2, for n equals to 4 meetings array is this, and first person is 3. So at time 0, person 0 shares the secret with person 3. Then at time 2, neither person 1 nor person 2 know the secret. Then at time 3, person 3 shares the secret with person 0 and person 1. Thus people 0, 1 and 3 know the secret after all the meetings. Example 3, for n equals to 5 meetings array is this, and first person equals to 1. So for that, at time 0, person 0 shares the secret with person 1. Then at time 1, person 1 shares the secret with person 2 and person 2 shares the secret with person 3. Note that person 2 can share the secret at the same time as receiving it. So at time 2, person 3 shares the secret with person 4. Thus, people 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 know the secret after all the meetings. That's why we are returning 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to approach this type of problem? Let's discuss. Before that, I have done some optimization and initialize lambda function here for standard input and output, and a constant max n equals to 10 raised to the power 5. So let's discuss the approach. So first of all, the find function implements the find operation of the DSU data structure. It returns the root of the group to which the given index belongs. Then the find all people function takes the number of people, a vector of meeting information, meetings, and the index of the first person as input. Then it initializes an array groups to represent the group of people, where initially each person is in its own group. And then it sorts the meetings based on their endpoints, meetings of I, 2. And then it operates through the sorted meetings and merges the groups of people who attended the same meeting. And after that, after processing all the meetings, it identifies all people who are in the same group as the first person and return them. So these functions, find function and find all people, I will be implementing that in the code section. So just check that and refer this approach, you will get it. For more clarity, you can parallelly see the approach and the code for more explanation. So this is the find all people function. Inside of that, we will first create static int groups of max underscore n. Then we will create a static vector of int temp. Then we will iterate through for loop from int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and we will do what? We will do groups of I equals to I, and then groups of first person equals to 0. Then we will sort meetings dot begin to meetings dot end, and we will define here a comparator function like this syntax: const auto ampersand I comma const auto ampersand r, and it will return I of 2 less than r of 2. After that, const of we will create an int of size, int size. It will be a const, and give it meetings dot size. Then int of I equals to 0, and we will implement while loop here for I less than size. Inside of this while loop, we will first take current time. So int current time from meetings of I comma 2, and we will clear the temp. Then again inside a while loop, we will implement a condition for I less than size and meetings of I and 2 equals to current time. If it is true, then what we will do? We will first get in G1 by finding groups and passing it meetings I comma 0, and int G2 equals to find out groups meetings I 1. Then we will update groups of maximum of G1 comma G2. It will be equal to minimum of G1 comma G2. Then we will push m.push back meetings I and 0 inside temp, and again we will push meetings I comma 1 inside temp. Temp dot push back meetings I and 1. Okay. After that, we will increment I, and then outside of this while loop, we will again implement a for loop. Now from int I equals to 0, I will take j here, j equals to 0, j less than temp dot size and j plus plus, and if find out groups comma temp of j is true and it is not equal to 0, If this value is not equal to 0, here, okay, if this value is not equal to 0, then we will do what? Groups of temp of j equals to temp of j, and after this for the bigger while loop, we will again create a vector result and iterate through for loop from int j equals to 0 to j less than n and j plus plus, and if find of groups comma j equals to 0, then we will do what? Result dot push underscore back, push back j. We will push back j into the result, and at last we will return result. So this will be our overall code. If you want more clarity, you can refer approach as parallelly to the code and see how it iterates. So let's check the code. Okay, there is something remaining. This find operation, we need to define this find operation. So here we will define a find operation. So int find const int star of groups comma int index. So while index is not equal to groups of index, then we will do what? Index equals to groups of index, and after that we will return index. So the while find operation will be like this. So run again it. Run it. So groups use of undeclared identifiers to determine groups. Okay, spelling mistake. Oops. Yeah, the code ran successfully, as you can see. Let's submit. So yeah, hidden test cases also ran successfully. So the time complexity here will be big O of m log m, where m equals to number of meetings. Here these meetings, so m will be number of meetings, and the space complexity will be big O of m plus n. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and stay tuned for exciting stack web development projects and daily LeetCode problems. Thank you.